So I'm getting ready for spring and summer. This is one of the dresses I got off Amazon during the try before you buy. So for those of you who don't know about the try before you buy, you can order up to 6 or 7 items. You can ship it to your house for free. You can try it on at home for 7 days. At the end of those 7 days, you have to decide whether you're going to keep it or return it. If you keep it, that is when you get charged. And if you return it, you just send it back for free. So I do like using this, especially for more pricey items, so I don't have to commit the money up front, and then I can try it on at home. I have my own fitting room at home, which is nice. I love that. But anyways, this type of dress is a staple in my wardrobe. I love these dresses. You can easily dress them up, you can easily dress it down. You can wear flats, sandals, heels. You can even wear sneakers. I don't wear sneakers, but you can wear sneakers with this type of dress. And the pink, pink is my color. Pink is my power color. Let me tell you, when I wear pink. But should I keep this? Let me create an outfit. So let's put on these cute heels. I wanted some heels for the spring and the summertime that can go with most of my dresses and my outfits, and I liked this one. It has a trendy and a classic vibe to it. These heels are comfortable. Like if you're somebody who wants to start wearing heels, but if you find it difficult for whatever reason, whether it's kind of hard for you to walk in or uncomfortable for you, this is nice to start with, especially now in the summertime. They're very, very comfortable, very supportive. I'm looking in the mirror. Oh, these are so cute. Very trendy and also have a classic vibe. Like, I really mean it. If you feel like you're a beginner in heels, like really try this because it's so comfortable and it's cute. That's this dress. That's these heels. Should I keep? Let me know in the comments, please and thank you. Let me try it on with another dress though, because I just like to show range. I like pieces that can wear with a lot of stuff. I need that in my life. Isn't it cute? Just kind of honey these hips, especially like from right here. I wanted to see frill with the heels. I wore this dress to wine tasting a couple years ago, and I feel like you could also wear these heels because it's not too thin. It's like, it's broad, so it gives that stability. You could definitely wear these heels to wine tasting. These sandals are the epitome of spring. Do you think I should keep them? Because this can wear with my dresses, with my skirts and blouses. This is extremely feminine. Can wear it with pink, green, orange, white, nude, yellow. This nice bag. This is a pure color look. There's no nudes, no neutrals. Pink dress, pink bag, floral. Like, I love this. And then because the sandals have like different shades of pink, this is just so beautiful. I love this look. Simple but bombastic, as them say. I think I got this bag from Amazon too. Okay, Amazon, I think I'll go keep this dress. This is so cute. I put on blue to see how it looks with the sandals, and it still looks good. It still looks good. There's no blue in these sandals, but it still works. Let me see how it looks with a pink bag. Let's see. Yes, very spring. I should have worn it on Easter. This is very Easter. So you see the versatility of this. I had to see if this could be worn with black. It can be done, but it doesn't really. It's not my first choice. Okay, so when I saw these shoes, I just had to try it. I don't know if I'm going to keep them, but I think they're so unique. I just love the details. Look at the heel. So nice. Do you guys think I should keep these heels? Let's try them on. Alright. I don't love it because I like when my straps are around my ankle. I feel like because it's cut so low, it makes my ankle look big. But it's really nice. Like, it's really sexy. and unique. And I think it's elegant too. Like it's edgy but elegant at the same time. Alright, so I originally got this for like a date night vibe. What do you think? Do you like? The dress I absolutely love. Top quality, high quality for sure. Fits like a glove, gives body, and it would definitely add shape. It adds curve to the body because of the gathering right here, and of course the asymmetrical neckline, extremely feminine. Should I keep the dress? Should I keep these heels? If you want it, links are in the description box. But this is nice, classic look, can wear with different heels. It's a staple classic piece though, but I like this look. I wanted to see how these heels will look with an evening dress. And you know what? I like it. It's giving the 50s vibe. Okay, before I continue, this dress has this proof label on it because once it's come off, you can't return it. So you have to purchase it. I don't wrong them for that. So that's what this is. I'm gonna have to kind of to conceal it, you know what I mean? I like these shoes with this dress. This is what the girlies in the 50s would wear to go shop at Bergdorf. Okay? This is not an evening dress for them. Excuse, honey. And they would wear heels like this. I love this. So now I'm in my 50s element right now. So I'm gonna add something to it. Let's play. Okay. Okay, so you might be wondering where the red come from. My nails and my lips. That. Before I look, you guys like this? Giving Dorothy Dandridge. You like it? Girl! Tell me if this don't nice. This is feeding me so much. This look full my belly. I'm keeping these shoes just because of this look. Like if you're like me and you're obsessed with a particular era to the point that you wish you'd lived in that era just so you could dress how they dress. If you guys want me to do a video on how to dress older eras for the present, I would love to do it because that's right up my alley. By the way, all of these things will be linked in the description box. Listen, my inner child came out to play. How does it look? Too much? It's tight around the neck. So we can keep on the hat. What if? How does it look?